Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you've ever wanted to make your Google Slides presentations stand out with unique eye-catching text, you're in the right place. In this full 2025 guide, I'll show you exactly how to add new fonts to Google Slides, quickly, easily, and without any extra software. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll know how to give your slides that professional, custom look your audience will love. Open Google Slides. First, open your web browser and head over to Google Slides. Sign into your Google account if you aren't already logged in. You can start a new blank presentation or open an existing file. The process is the same for both. Select your text box. Next, click on a slide where you want to change the font. Either insert a new text box using the toolbar or select one that's already there. This is where your new font will appear. Access the font menu. At the top of the screen, you'll see the current font name in the toolbar. Click on it to open the drop-down list of available fonts. Scroll through to see what's already installed. Step 4. Add more fonts. If you don't see the font you're looking for, here's the magic step. Scroll down and click More Fonts. A new dialog box will pop up with hundreds of additional fonts you can add completely free. You can browse by categories like serif, sans serif, display, and handwriting, or you can use the search bar to find something specific. Choose the perfect font. When picking a font, think about your audience and message. Decorative or script fonts can look amazing for titles or short quotes, but they're harder to read in long paragraphs. For main content, stick with something clean and professional. Your viewers will thank you. Apply and save. Once you've selected your font, click OK, and it'll instantly appear in your font list. Highlight your text, choose the new font from the drop-down menu, and you're done. Google Slides will automatically save your changes to the cloud. And that's it. Your presentation now has a fresh, customized look that reflects your style. If this guide helped you level up your Google Slides game, don't forget to like this video, subscribe, and tap the notification bell so you never miss another quick tutorial. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.